So today's topic is conditional statements, and first, a golden rule of industry or in coding or anything, I will say, if you are writing some code, don't care about your syntax, don't care about anything. You have to answer your if-else statement, conditional statements, basically answer yes or no, true or false type of thing. Reading that statement of law, what you have to write, if you can answer those and write if-else or any conditional operator or any if-else, I am saying because you think that if-else the basic thing, and all of them other operators or other type of case statements and every other thing is come from if-else only. So just assume that if you are writing a code, all logic depends on if-else or any condition or answering the true or false of condition. So what you are doing in writing a code, basically you are setting some conditions are there. For example, even number condition is like if it is divisible by 2 then it is even, if not then it is false, and you are repeating the process by writing the loop. So writing loop is easy. Okay, you have to just follow the syntax, and what you have to repeat you can assign that. But the main thing or the toughest logic you have to write, then the thing come place is your if-else statement. Okay, because sometimes in hardware mostly some exceptions are there, so you have to write that exceptions in AMS coding. If you are doing, then there are current and voltages, so it may be little difficult. So writing a conditional statement is heart of programming for me, because when I can organize my thought like how to write a logic, and first I start with if else, then case, and then then assign. So mostly we use assign block, continuous assignment block with the ternary operator. So first we will see. So this is only the introduction of what I have told you now. So let's directly jump to our coding part. So the conditional operator which I mostly used, the conditional operator allows you to assign a value or a value to a variable based on a condition. So basically, if condition is true, it will assign that to our output. If a condition is true, then expression 1 will be assigned. For this, you have to understand this part for this and assign the variable. Otherwise, the expression 2 is assigned. So simple thing is there. This variable is there or your output is there. If condition is true, then expression will be 1 will be assigned, and if condition is false, then expression 2 will be assigned. Now this thing you can use like nested if else. So for example, this is your variable, or this is condition number 1, this is your variable out, this is your condition number 1, and if for condition to be true, this whole thing will be checked first. If this is true, then this will be checked. If this is false, then directly 0 will be assigned. And inside that another condition is there. If this is true, then y will be assigned, and if this is false, then z will be assigned. So it is simple nested if else kind of thing. So using assign, you can use this ternary operator. We called it ternary operator or conditional operator if you are using inside your initial block or something. So mostly use block, and all code is dependent on this. Rest of the things I think you can work on it easily while working on your job, but writing a logic is to writing this thing. Okay, next is our if else, and you already know about if else, so I haven't written any introduction for that. So rest of the thing is like a single if else. You can write if condition for single also, or single statement. But if you want to write a nested, then first is your if else, the second is your if else if, and you can also write another else here. So this is a simple, you have to write if condition is true, then this, if else if there is, then another condition, if it is true, then this, and if else is there, if these two are not true, then your else condition will be there. So if else is a very simple thing. Now the main thing, because of this I have created this video, because this is an interview question or mostly a question, and you should know about this. So Verilog case statement. So there are first of all 3 types of case statement: case, casex, casez. So first is our regular case, which is exact match, which you will know afterwards. And no don't cares or bit, don't care is like this here, not this z of x1. X is like unknown for now. Don't care is this, and don't care it means like we will not care what is the value there, we will just ignore it. Okay, for now you can say ignore it, but in this case, normal case, it will not ignore anything. It will just have all 0 1 x and z. It will match that, and then you will get any output. Safest but less flexible, because it will make exact match of these all four, so it is safest. But why it is not flexible, we will know after this. Okay, so I haven't written code, I have written some syntax here. Case and case is there. You can write a single statement here, like this is true, then you can have output with this value, single statement value. And you can also write multiple statement, just you have to write begin end, and you can write inside that multiple statement. Okay, so this is a simple case. Now here is the main part. Here is the case z. So case z is z and don't care, r don't care, z and don't care, r don't care, because means it will not
Hit subscribe, like, and comment now. Let's begin the journey of verification.
evaluating x or z or don't care, like this kind of thing. So it is preferred because you will also only focus on your 0 1 and x, and which we should be more focused on 0 1 and x. Okay, so it is treated as don't care, means we don't care about it, whatever it is we don't care. X is matched exactly, means we will prefer. I will also tell you one example. If it is like 1 0 x and z, and here is 1 0 x and 0, so it will not care about this z, it will just match it. It is matched, it is matched, it is matched, it will not care about it. So here we are thinking of either it may be z, either maybe we don't care. So RTL safe and recommended, because we are not caring about z or any other value, we are mostly focused on 0 1 x, which we are. And z is don't care, so we are not caring about this, and match is 0 or 1. So this is one example of case z. You only have to write this z here, and it will follow your case z kind of thing. Now here is one another very risky thing, we mostly don't use it, that is case x. X and z are don't care here, we don't care about x and z, we only care about 0 and 1. Treated as don't care, can hide bugs during simulation, because if some unknown value is coming, we cannot verify that. So not recommended, but you should know about it. Only thing changes your x here. So this is the thing I want to tell you, important concept about conditional statements. So if you have any comment or any small topic, you can comment me.
Please, Lord, give me a sign.